Okay, book talk. Pwede ba nating i-normalize na hindi lahat ng 3.5 stars ay pangit? Kasi kakatapos ko lang itong The River She Became by Emily Varga. And honestly, feeling ko hindi lang talaga ako yung target reader nito. Before anything else, thank you so much to Wednesday Books, St. Martin's Press, and Macmillan Audio for trusting me with both e-arc and audiobook. I'm super grateful for the opportunity. So basically, this book follows Yasima, isang relic hunter na naghahanap ng ancient Fae relic para may balik yung magic sa world nila. So if you're into Fae, magical quest, ancient relic, and adventures, this has all of that. Pero yung favorite part ko talaga is yung world building. Ang saya lang i-explore ng world na ginawa ni Emily Varga. And I also like na fantasy talaga yung focus niya more than romance. Pero na-realize ko lang talaga na kahit sobrang ganda ng world building, kapag hindi ako really attached sa characters, hirap niya maging favorite. So, 3.5 stars out of 5 siya sa akin. Pero honestly, feeling ko kapag ikaw yung target reader nito, baka 5 stars pa to sa'yo. And so, try mo na. Read mo na to. Lalabas siya sa June 30.